Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai, Japan. Today I'm going to explain deep research in Gemini. From this moment on, you might never need to do manual research again. Deep research checks hundreds of websites for you and summarizes the result into a report. It can also run multiple searches at once. For example, competitor analysis or finding available government subsidies and steps to expand your business into Japan. It handles all kinds of complex research for you. This is truly game-changing. If you are doing research now, hand it off to deep research starting today. Let's dive in. Let's see how to use deep research. Click the Gemini icon on the top left and select Deep Research 2.5 Pro. That's it. Now let's make a request. For example, I run several restaurants in San Francisco. What kind of government subsidies are available? Gemini will explain the research steps. If they look good, just click Start Research. There are two amazing things here. First, if a subsidy is closed, it looks for other options like a human would. It keeps working until it finds an answer. Second, you don't have to wait. You'll get a message saying, "Got it, I'll notify you when the research is complete." Feel free to leave this chat in the meantime. You can even run multiple deep research tasks at once. Like, I run a furniture business in India. Please list the new products from competitors. And that's it. Just wait for the results. Okay, the results are ready. Let's take a look. The research results comes in document. Pretty amazing, right? It even lists all the websites it used. Now let's give instruction in the document sidebar. For example, list and summarize the available subsidies. And just like that, it gives you a summary in the sidebar. This is revolutionary. How was that? From today, skip the manual search and let deep research handle it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.